So I've got my Bauer oscillating multi-tool here. I attached this Paya PY 112 blade to it. It's supposed to be good for removing things like caulking. So got some old caulking here. I think from an old AC unit or something. I'm not sure. On my house, try it out. I need to use this for work. I take out windows and I remove caulking a lot. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, works pretty good. I'm doing it one-handed, holding my camera, so it's a little trickier probably. But yeah, it does the job. Uh, the blade is sharp. I almost cut myself, but I wasn't pressing down too hard on it, thank goodness. But anyway, I learned that I gotta respect this blade. Anyway, can't wait to try this on the job.